Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know, so we here looking at this 2016 Hyundai Accent. Let me back it up for y'all. Let me back it up for y'all. Lower motor. So get the lower motors out. Boy, when people don't want to when people stop making payments on their cars, bro, people really just go out there and ruin their credit just to go get a rental car for some months. Like, they really just go out there, like, really just go rent cars and just draw the piss out of them. And no expectancy of paying them. Don't want to keep up on no maintenance. Don't clean it. Just like, eventually, like, they just like, this is going to get a repo eventually. Like, that's not a good mindset. Like, just go get something. Like, I know everybody wants a nice car and stuff. Sometimes you just go get you what you can afford, that's run good and stuff. But it's a 2016, you know. It's got, I think, 150 something to 40, like. So I need to get some fog light covers. You know, I'm gonna try to save this bumper. Hopefully Wilson, you know, can save it. You know, I'm pretty sure he can. So hopefully he can save it. I'll get some fog light little covers. As you can see, they just knocked the bumper off of there and just kept throwing screws on top of screws, and you know, they don't even know how these plastic clips got out of here, so they done broke all those off. Drove the piss out of it. Tires on there, wires showing on the tires, but you know, they got a new tire on the back. Like, people just it's a front wheel drive car, so if you're gonna do it, you know, and you know, they got more screws in there, you know. But I don't know, when I looked at the pictures online, now that I see it up close, this door, I don't know. This door, maybe it's because it's just dirty. Maybe. Okay. I don't know, 'cause that back door did look maybe. No. I don't know, that back door look a little bit dark, but then when I look at the back door and look at the back, then it didn't, but I don't know. And I get up closer to it. I don't know. So I'm pretty sure that person, if they ain't took care of nothing, maybe because it just needs to be, maybe because it's just dirty, maybe it's just more dirt on this door and not less dirt on that door that's making it look like that. Or I don't know. But I'm gonna have Wilson fix this door, have him fix this, get these screws out the bumper, you know, fix this part of the bumper, give me some fog light covers. This tire, okay, that tire is pretty good. This tire is pretty bad. That tire is pretty bad, so I'll move that tire to the back, or who knows, I might just go find three good tires. Three good tires. What size? 14. So I'll go get some red and black hubcaps to make it look good. Definitely get the oil changed and get it detailed. Grab a blower motor. But good old detail on it, cause look, you know, get a detail. Then I'm gonna throw some seat covers on there. I'm gonna get some red and black seat covers. Throw it on there. Yeah, put a good old detail on there. Yeah, it's got 149. You know, obviously tire pressure. Make sure these windows here and just drive it. As y'all can see, I got my scan tool on deck. I was just at the auction, so y'all know. I know it's not gonna drive the best because obviously a tire, but I'm gonna just take it down the street and just make sure it hits the gears, and I'm gonna bring it back because I'm not about to be driving it that far on that tire and it be my luck I have a blowout. Okay, should. Yeah. Good enough. It got all the shits for me. I ain't saying that it's good enough, but it's got all the shit. Like I said, it ain't gonna drive good with this bad tire on there. So hopefully it's just a tire. Hopefully it ain't like nothing else. I'll end up probably taking it to Wilson probably like tomorrow. Yeah, I'll take it tomorrow. Cause he said I already talked to him earlier. He had a good amount of cars, so maybe I can get him a good deal. Get him some quick cash to start the month. Then I can but I'll first gonna take it to the oil change. First I'm gonna take an oil change, and then I'm gonna take it to go get some tires tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get an oil change, then take it to go get some tires tomorrow morning. Then see how much better it rides, and if it's riding better, then I'll take it to Wilson. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna ride better because I'm pretty sure that tire, how bald it is, shouldn't. I don't know, but people drive their cars like that, and then they just like, oh, well, it's gonna get repoed eventually. I'm like, yeah, I know your car's gonna get repoed, but it's like, dang, you don't want to take no care of it. I feel like that bumper's scraping, so I might take it off and just put it in there. But I mean, it runs good. It needs a blower motor for sure though, because blower motor's out. Did it kick on? Nope. Didn't kick on. That's probably why they said the AC didn't work, because the AC is not gonna work if the blower doesn't come on. You can see that the compressor and stuff is. You can hear I heard the compressor kick on. Just can hear the motor. Then obviously it's on there, so I'm gonna have to get this taken off. Get that taken up off of there. Thank y'all for rocking with me. If y'all haven't already, let me know in the comment section below what I can sell it for. It's 2016. And I know it's gonna be all good to go after Wilson. After Wilson fixed that part of the door and that bumper, and then change the oil and stuff. Change the oil, some tires, full detail. After all that, I'll probably say I have about, let's see it. So I think it's $12.50. I haven't went back and looked at the screenshot. I got to look back at the screen, but I believe it's $12.50. So $12.50, probably another $5 to sit, probably $600-700. Probably 5 to 6. I'm gonna just say 5 to 7. So I'm gonna just say $2,000 in the car after everything is said and done. Just say every $2,000. Sell it for like $4,500, $5,500. Finance is really, it's a 2016. It's only 7 years old. Only barely cracked 150. So if the person want to go get the loan from their bank, it's gonna make it into a great car. Once I fix everything, it'll be a great car for a kid that's going off to college. So make a perfect first college kid car. So $4,500. Give me some easy $2,500 worth of profit. But I appreciate everybody rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.